In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on your phone so you can enjoy live sports and highlights on the go. Let's get started. To watch ESPN, download the ESPN app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, isme Android. Open the app and select Sign In if you already have an account, or create one if needed. For full access to exclusive content like live events and original shows, subscribe to ESPN Plus directly through the app. Once logged in, navigate to the Live Sports section to stream ongoing games or browse highlights, scores, and analysis. If prompted, activate your account by visiting espn.com/activate on another device and entering the code shown. For offline viewing, download eligible ESPN Plus content while connected to Wi-Fi and access it later in the Downloads section. Ensure your phone has a stable internet connection for uninterrupted streaming. Alternatively, use mobile data if Wi-Fi isn't available. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN on your phone.